Hello everyone. What I want to do is just go through and show you the setup of some of the new features that are in there that Simon had just discussed. So for example, we'll start a new Endmill wizard. Again, the wizard is the same, and I can also go through a couple of things on the wizard, which I'm sure Simon will also go over. For example, the wizards as far as the tool types are the same. So for example, Endmill. What you'll notice is across the top here, the wizard has changed to where you can actually get to certain places within the wizard easier without having to click through all the pages. So you can directly go to the end or go back to the beginning rather quickly. So from here, we're going to select the corner radius Endmill. Next one, we'll do a 100 thousandths radius. Okay, again, what we're going to do is we're going to do the dubbing method, and then now the hollow grind is now an option that is selected within the wizard itself. Then from there, we're going to tell it, for example, we'll do a higher count, which is 6 flutes with 2 to center. Then from there, we'll go all the way to the helix, primary and secondary. Again, the cutting edge length, we'll do 1.5 inches. 5, blank length.
Paul's having a hard time typing on the laptop.
0.9. And then the 1 inch blank length, or 1 inch blank diameter. Okay, and then from there, it's going to build that tool per the new features. Okay, so from there, you'll see per the design edges, you'll see the new dub method. Okay, and again, now what we decided to do is we decided to do the hollow grind method. So again, the main reason we do the hollow grind method is the MGM method is actually a good method for doing corner radiuses, but what we noticed is when you start getting into high flute count tools, you need the ability to come in at a much tighter area. So basically what we're able to do is now we're able to take the cup wheel and come in at a much tighter area without interfering with any of the short keys, as you can see. As far as where the machine is at, to give you an idea what it does to perform this. So it comes into the center cutting teeth, for example. It basically comes around to do the radius. So you can do 6, 8, even 10 flute tools without the issues that you would normally run into with a traditional MGM grind. Again, the dub grind is a new method along with the hollow grind method. As far as changing helix angles, that's all still there. So you can still do a multiple helix or a multiple index tool using this method. It's still the same thing. You're going to point to click to edit, or click to edit. You can still go into the helix angle. You can still make it different helixes. For example, we can change it to a linear function. So the method is, it's a nice method, especially when you're dealing with the high flute count tools. Again, so now we can go in, make it a 45-degree helix. Calculate.
You're varying.
Yeah, we're varying. Yep. It just gives you the idea that, even though we're using a different method for the end, we can still do what we normally do, and that's give you the ability to change helixes, vary them, change your indexing, and so on.